Welcome to Myers Spring Company. Today we're celebrating our 80th anniversary, established in July of 1946. You can check it out on Grok. I didn't know exactly the date, but it said July 16th is when we were incorporated. Today we're we have our very first customer that we ever had in 1946. We're still selling them. They're still a top 10 customer, and we're continuing to grow. We're counting our blessings. We've got 65 employees here at Myers Spring Company. We keep investing, and the community in Logansport and Cass County has always treated us great. It's a vital part of our growth and our longevity. And my grandfather started this place back in 1946 with his partner, Don Lindley. Don Lindley was the sales part of it. My grandfather was the manufacturing part of it. I'm the third generation. My father took over in 1985 when my grandfather passed away, and then I went to work for a car company for 6 years. I was an expat in Japan for a couple of those. And it's good to be back in Logansport. Came back in 96, so this is my 30th year here at Myers Spring. Looking forward to my son-in-law, who is a military guy. He's coming back next year about this time. And so it'll be the fourth generation. So we're counting our blessings and looking forward to a great future. We're probably about 60% ag. We do automotive as well. We do military stuff. We're hearing a lot of good feedback from our customers on what our opportunities are. We're continuing to expand the way we look at our business. We're doing more value add, more any assembly that might have a spring in it. We'll talk to our customer about, hey, it makes sense for us to be able to poke yoke the process and maybe slip the spring in there while we're assembling it. And it helps us to add value and also to expand our business. So we have about 65 employees, and something that's kind of unique to Myers Spring Company is we have a really, really wide range of springs that we make. We like to say, hey, we make anything out of wire, and we can make it any way you want. We might try and talk you out of some stuff, but for the most part, if you can imagine it, we can create it. So our wire range goes from 0.04 up to about, a little over an inch full hard material, 1.5 inches soft material. We post heat treat it. We can do wire forming. We've got one of the largest wire formers on the planet. We've got we've got one of the larger spring coilers on the planet, and we've got small machines too. So we run the gamut. We've got employees that have 40 years in, and we've got employees that have 4 days in. We're expanding. We've been hiring here lately, and we're thinking things are looking up. So we've got our best booking record, second best booking record going on, and so we're keeping our fingers crossed that it keeps traction. We're grateful to the community and to our employees and to our customers.